Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best pasta strainers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Silicone Strainer. This is the original Snap and Strain, designed and manufactured by Kitchen Gizmo. The specially designed clips will fit nearly all round pots, pans, and big and small bowls, including lipped bowls. This top-rated silicone strainer clips right onto your cooking vessel. Reviewers appreciated the strainer's space-saving design and the fact that it lets you to drain water from heavy pots with less, potentially dangerous, lugging and splashing. Small, compact strainer that is easy to use and store in a quarter the size of the traditional colander. Great when working with limited counter space. Package includes one snap and strain strainer, lime green. Number 2. Second best pick is HiramWare 5-quart stainless steel colander with handles. This heavy-duty colander, which will last for decades, is made of solid, high-quality stainless steel and ergonomically designed. It will never rust. It'll be your favorite kitchen gadget. Easy and comfortable to grip. Because the holes of this pasta strainer are teeny tiny, you don't have to worry about losing any grains to your sink drain. This makes the strainer ideal for rinsing and draining rice and smaller grain pastas. Reviewers also share positive feedback about the strainer's lightweight and its cleanability. Just pop it in the dishwasher or use a soapy sponge to give it a good scrub. It's going to be a lifelong investment for your household. A perfect idea for gifts and kitchen decoration. 5-quart capacity to hold and drain everything from pasta, spaghetti, noodles, berries, all kinds of veggies like spinach, carrots, broccoli, fruits, to salads. Its diameter is 10.5 inch, height is 4.1. Number 3. Third best pick is QiMH Collapsible Silicone Colanders. This colander is used for draining most foods like spaghetti, pasta, potatoes, broccoli, green beans, carrots, spinach and other veggies, to rinse your salad leaves, fruits and fresh vegetables. Using environmentally friendly rubber and plastics materials, BPA-free and no-smell, heavy-duty design could make it repeatedly work well. The expandable body design can collapse from 4 inches to 1.4 inches high in just one push, making it very convenient to store in any kitchen drawer, cabinet or drying tray without taking up too much space. If it's bang for your buck you're after, this highly rated strainer set delivers. Priced under $20, it arrives with 3 BPA-free silicone strainers, 2 4-quart and 1 6-quart, each of which is collapsible for easy storage in a cabinet or drawer. You can choose 3 different colors for different moods. It could make your kitchen more colorful. Number 4. Fourth best pick is HÖLM Stainless Steel Micro-Perforated Strainers. When you're rinsing a pint of berries or a can of beans, a large capacity strainer is overkill. That's where this stainless steel set comes in. It arrives with 3 micro-perforated strainers in various sizes, 1 quart, 2.5 quart, and 4.5 quart, so you can choose the right size strainer for your rinsing needs. All stainless steel heavy-duty construction for maximum durability at an unbeatable price. Sturdy handles and durable mesh make this strainer set a must-have. Will not rust even in the dishwasher. BPA-free, so it won't leach plastic chemicals into your food. Footed design facilitates fast, easy drainage for faster preparation, a cleaner rinse, and more efficient cooking. Makes a great alternative to handheld spider strainer. Fully perforated mesh strainer and footed design provides superior drainage with minimal loss. Mesh is sturdy and will not warp, stretch, or snag even under heavy foods. Also, it's 100% dishwasher safe and easy to clean. This steel strainer set is great for washing, rinsing or draining pasta, rice, quinoa, grains, fruit, vegetables, berries, canned goods, beans, spaghetti, hamburger, tuna, cooked meats and eggs. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Makerstep 6-quart stainless steel over-the-sink colander. This professional-grade oval colander strainer with fine mesh basket is your premium quality solution for a variety of kitchen tasks including filtering, straining, drying, and draining. Upgrade your kitchen with premium quality kitchen gadgets remastered by Makerstep and enjoy convenient performance and long-term usability. Specifically refine this oval drying sleeve to supply expandable support in your cooking adventures. Its large over-the-sink design, stainless steel body and exquisite rubber grips is sure to boost your cooking efficiency. From straining and rinsing pasta, food, fruits, and vegetables, to quick drying dishes, filtering, sifting and similar washing and cooking tasks, you can do it all with this oval colander. Drying and straining is efficient with the rust-proof firm fine mesh and frame with feet on the bottom. Enjoy fast and easy maintenance as the metal oval colander strainer with mesh basket is dishwasher safe. When not using, simply store it on the rack, shelves, or on your sink. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.